BASF has the ideal solution for every stain challenge, featuring enzymes that make your customers' cleaning experience effortless and effective even in cold water cycles. Lavergy A Star is your go-to biodegradable amylase, effortlessly banishing stubborn starch stains and keeping your fabrics looking fresh. With Lavergy C Care, our new best-in-class cellulase, you'll experience exceptional fuzz and pilling removal, enhancing the luxurious look and feel of cotton and cotton blends. When it comes to tackling tough grease and oil stains, Lavergy L-Paste stands out as a powerful liquid lipase, delivering impressive results with ease. For those challenging stains from guar gum and locust bean gum, Lavergy M-Ace is a robust mayonnaise that excels even in short wash cycles. Additionally, our cleaning cellulase Lavergy C Bright revitalizes the radiant whiteness and brightness of your cotton and blends, utilizing effective anti-redeposition technology. Finally, the Lavergy Pro-Types, our high-performance proteases, effortlessly remove stains from grass, eggs, blood, and milk, delivering outstanding results at any temperature. The BASF Lavergy lineup is biodegradable, highly bio-based, and suitable for eco-labels that your customers care about. So, what are you waiting for? Give your customers another reason to smile by using Lavergy to tackle everyday challenges at home and outdoors. Join us in making laundry a delightful experience.